Hey guys, today's video is all about how to save yourself a lot of time and eat amazing pizza. That's right, it is take and bake pizza time on the Big Green Egg. I've got a couple of tips and tricks for you that we'll talk about here in a minute. But hey, first things first, we have very little prep to do. Let's get the egg fired up. All right, so using the ash tool, we'll go ahead and stir the charcoal, getting all that ash down into the ash pit. Next up, we'll go ahead and refresh this charcoal, and then using our EGGNiter, we will get it started and bring it right up to 200 degrees before we get ready to add our convector and our pizza stone. Now, to add a little bit of flavor today, like I said, we're going to add one chunk of hickory. And what I did was put it on the outside of that ember pile so it will slowly move into this, not catch on fire, but smolder, burn, give us a little bit of that delicious hickory flavor. Here we are right at 200 degrees now. We'll go ahead and add in our convector. We have our grill grate on there, and then we've added our pizza stone. Now, the cool thing is you'll notice a gap, right? A gap between the convector and the pizza stone. That air gap is really going to help make sure this temperature is even and perfect, delivering us nice, even crisp, nice, even crust. So we'll go ahead and shut the lid now. We'll adjust the top vent and the bottom vent, bringing our temperature up to 400 degrees. That's gonna be our cooking temp today. Well, as you can see, I've got a pizza from my favorite take and bake pizza place. Now, the cool thing is it comes on this cardboard liner. Don't worry about it. We're gonna show you how to launch it with the liner and then also remove it midway through to make sure that that fresh pizza dough turns into amazing crust. Now, I have some Booty everything rub, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put a tiny bit on like I already did. I'll add a little bit more here just to top it off. Always be careful when you're using a rub on here, right? Make sure that sugar doesn't cause it to get too caramelized because, hey, you can always add a little bit more on towards the end if you want to. That's it. Prep is done. We'll wait for the egg to get up to temp. Time to launch a pizza. Here we are right at 400 degrees. Now, the nice thing about heating that stone up with the egg is once the egg reaches temperature, that stone is sitting at the same temp, so we won't lose any heat. Now, we'll go ahead and launch that pizza. We'll let it go. Cook time today is about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to come back in 10 minutes and check on this. It might be time to remove that cardboard then, too. We'll show you how to do that. We'll see you back in 10 minutes. Here we are right after 10 minutes, and look at that. Beautiful. Right now, if you want to remove that cardboard, it's as simple as holding that cardboard, sliding your pizza peel under it, take the cardboard out, and put that back down just like that. Now, we've got it removed. That'll help that crust just develop. But the beautiful thing about that cardboard is sets your crust first, so you don't have to worry about any oops. Now, we're going to let it finish. We're going to go another 10 minutes or until that crust is right where we want it. Right at 20 minutes. Oh my, look at that. That is absolute perfection. I think it came out great. 20 minutes, I can smell that hickory. Life is good. Time to get this guy out of here into the kitchen. Whoa, that came out absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with the flavor, and it is cooked to perfection. I can smell that hickory, which is just incredible. Now, we use that Booty everything, and like I said, now is a good time if you want to add a little bit more, just a tiny pop at the end, but life is good. So, only thing left to do is cut it, eat it, and I'll tell you what, not a bad way to do lunch here in the barbecue studio. Pizza with an absolutely exceptional amount of flavor off my Big Green Egg. I'll tell you what, if you are looking for more exceptionally flavorful videos, stay tuned. I've got two absolute doozies coming up for you next.